In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to YI Home app. Although I'm showing you to add this model of security camera, but it doesn't matter what model of security camera you are using or what brand of security camera you are using. If your security camera uses the YI Home app, then this video is for you. So let's get started. In step 1, we will learn how to install the app YI Home and how to create an account. I'm showing you in both Android phone and Apple iPhone. So this is Apple iPhone and this is Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and in Android phone, go to Play Store and write YI Home. So this one. So YI Home, so get install. Similarly, write here YI Home, install. Yep, they're installing. So open, allow. Yeah, now choose your region. I'm in United States, so continue. Now if you already have an account, then you can log in, but if you are a new user, then create an account. So create account, click here, create account. Now we need to enter our information, and this one is installing, still installing, so maybe we need to wait. Yeah, open. Then continue, then create an account. Now the process is same for both iPhone and Android phone. So I am only showing you for the iPhone, but the process is same for the Android phone, and you can repeat the process. So first we need to enter our first name, last name, email address, phone number, password, and confirm password. So I am entering those information now. Yeah, I enter all of the information. Now done. Okay, we need to agree. So sign up. So now an activation link has been sent to your email, and we need to confirm that email. So if I open my email, then I can see, yeah, they sent an activation. So click, and it says active account. Yep, so the account has been created successfully. In step 2, we will learn how to add the device and how to use it. So if you open the app, then you need to sign in using the account that we already created in step 1. So sign in, I'm entering my email address and password. So login, ask app to trap. Now to add the camera, click plus. Okay, now we need to choose the model that we want to add. So there are different model of security camera. Now you can choose your model. My one is YI outdoor. Yeah, this one. So click this one. Now we need to give the power for the camera. So yeah, there's a other part of this cable, so give the power connection here. Yeah, I give the power connection. Yeah, it got the light, yellow light. Now it will say waiting to connect. Yeah.
Welcome to Cam
Yeah, so I heard waiting to connect, so click allow. Now we need to enter our Wi-Fi name and its password. So my Wi-Fi name is this one and I'm entering its password. Done. Next. Now we need to place this QR code in front of the camera lens. So place like this way.
QR code scan is successful.
Yeah, so it says QR code scan is successful. So click
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
next.
Wi-Fi is connected.
So Wi-Fi is connected. Now if we go back, okay, we could not go back.
Pairing is successful.
So
You can start using your camera now.
So pairing is successful. Now you can give a name. Suppose I'm giving a name test1, and we need to choose where the camera is. Yeah, you can choose anywhere. The next, then we do not want to buy. Yeah, continue without Cami iCloud. Now skipping free. Now we do not want to buy those plan. Okay, yeah, they are forcing us to buy. So if I go home, then I can see the camera. Yep, this is the camera. Now the next question is how we can use it. So if I click this one, it will be bigger size. If I click again, yeah, it can go back. If you want to take picture, then press this one. Sorry, to make video, press this one and it will make a video. And if you want to take picture, then yeah, press this one, it will take a picture. And if you want to talk to someone who is in front of the camera, then press and hold this one, then you can talk. If you want to hear the sound in front of the camera, then press this one, then you can hear the sound. And there's a SD card slot here. There's a SD card slot. So if you insert the SD card, then the video will be saved on the camera, and if you click here, then you can watch the video. Now there is no SD card, that's why it's not showing. So that's it. If for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the camera. So the question is how we can reset the camera. So if you look at here, so this is the micro SD card slot and there's a button here. So take something like this and press and hold this one, then camera will be resetted. So press and hold.
Reset is successful.
So reset is successful. Now you can try again and very highly likely the camera will work. Thanks for watching.